How many digits does 3 to the 40 have? When we want to solve this, for example, if a number has two digits, like for example 27, 92, 14, they are greater than 10, greater than equal 10, less than 100. Because it is the first two-digit number and it is the first three-digit number strictly less than that. So like less than and so on. So if we want to see is 10 to the 1, 10 to the 2. If we want to see, for example, if it has n digits, 3 to the 40, n digits is greater than equal 10 to the n minus 1, like this. 10 to the 1, 2 digits, less than 10 to the n. So at first, I say 3 to the 40 equal to, with power rule, because we know a to the m to the n equal to a to the m, and you can say 2 to the 20. And it will be 9 to the 20, and it will be less than 10 to the 20. So if we prove, that 3 to the 40 greater than 10 to the 19, then we can say that this number has 20 digits. So let's consider 10 to the 19. We know that 3 to the 40 equal to 3 to the 4 to the 10. 3 to the 4 is 81 to the 10. And now I want to prove that is it greater than 10 to the 19? It is equivalent. We know it's not equivalent. One thing I want to prove. Let me erase this part because 81 and 10. I want to work with this. So I know 81 to the 10 is greater than 80 to the 10. I want to prove that it is greater than 10 to the 90. Now it's good because we can divide by 10 because it is 8 to the 10. 80 is 8 times 10. 8 to the 10 times 10 to the 10. The reason is 80 to the 10 equal to 8 times 10 to the 10. It is equal this by the power rule. A times b to the m equal to a to the m times b to the m. So it is this. I want to prove it is greater than 10 to the 9. It is equivalent. If I prove this, I divide by 10 to the 10. So it is equivalent that 8 to the 10 greater than 10 to the 9. Now, 8 to the 10, let me erase the things we don't need. Okay, now I want to prove 8 to the 10 is greater than, instead of 8, I can write 2 cubed. To the 10 is greater than y 10 to the 9. And 10 to the 9 is 2. The 10 is 2 times 5. 2 to the 9 times 5 to the 9. It is equivalent that 2 to the 30 is greater than 2 to the 9 times 5 to the 9. If I divide by 2 to the 9, it will be 2 to the 21 greater than 5 to the 9. And if we divide the powers or raise to the power of 1 over 3, it's equivalent. 2 to the 7, because it is 2 to the 7 cubed greater than 5 cubed, it is equivalent that 2 to the 7 is greater than 5 cubed. It is 1 to 5, and left side is 1 to 8. So we will see it is correct. So all of them will be correct. Correct. So we've proved this. 3 to the 40 is greater than 10 to the 19, less than 10 to the 20. So we can say it has 20 digits. And the problem has been solved. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on notification, like the video. I will tell you different ideas and you can improve your problem solving. Thank you.